Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a simple but effective full body workout you can do at home with no equipment, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to do 5 powerful exercises that work your legs, arms, core and cardio all in one session. This workout is beginner friendly, but you'll still feel the burn if you push yourself. Take it at your own pace. If you need to rest, pause the video, breathe and jump back in. Let's get started. Warm up. Before we begin, let's warm up the body. March in place, 20 seconds. Arm circles, 20 seconds. Shoulder rolls, 20 seconds. Light body twists, 20 seconds. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. All right, now we're ready. Exercise 1. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a great way to raise your heart rate and wake up the entire body. How to do it? Stand tall, feet together, arms by your sides. Jump your feet out wide while raising your arms overhead. Jump back to the starting position. Workout. 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. Repeat 2 rounds. Tip. If jumping is difficult, step side to side instead. Feel the blood flowing. Stay light on your feet. Exercise 2. Body weight squats. Squats strengthen your legs, hips and glutes. How to do it? Feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back and bend your knees. Lower your body like you're sitting in a chair. Stand back up and squeeze your glutes at the top. Workout. 45 seconds work, 15 seconds rest. Repeat 2 rounds. Tip. Keep your chest up and heels on the floor. Strong legs build a strong body. Exercise 3. Push-ups. Push-ups work your chest, shoulders, arms and core. How to do it? Hands under shoulders, body straight. Lower your chest toward the floor. Push back up with control. Workout. 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. Repeat 2 rounds. Beginner option. Drop to your knees or use a wall. Focus on form, not speed. Exercise 4. Mountain climbers. This move targets your core and cardio. How to do it? Get into plank position. Drive one knee toward your chest. Switch legs quickly like you're running. Workout. 30 seconds work, 30 seconds rest. Repeat 2 rounds. Tip. Keep your core tight and back straight. Push through. This is where results happen. Exercise 5. Plank hold. The plank strengthens your entire core. How to do it? Elbows under shoulders. Body in a straight line. Hold and breathe. Workout. 30 seconds hold, 20 seconds rest. Repeat 2 rounds. Tip. Don't let your hips drop. Keep your abs tight. You're almost done. Stay strong. Take a deep breath. Shake out your arms and legs. Great job finishing this workout. If you enjoyed this top 5 home exercise routine, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy home workouts. Comment below and let me know how you felt after this session. See you in the next workout. Stay healthy. Stay active